and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 70 lessons from the book The Source in under 7 minutes. The Source is like a fantastic time travel adventure written by really amazing storyteller James A. Michener. Imagine going on a journey through different times and places with a mix of history, mystery and a bit of magic that makes you want to keep reading. The author is like a wizard with words, painting pictures of different eras and making you feel like you are right there with the characters. It's not just a story, it's like a magical ride through history. The cool part is how the characters from different times connect like puzzle pieces fitting together. And there is this special touch of magic that adds a bit of sparkle to the whole adventure. Each chapter takes you to a new place and time, making it feel like you are on a super cool time traveling roller coaster. The characters are like friends you meet along the way, each with their own exciting story. By the end, you realize it's not just a story about the past, it's about how everything is connected like a big awesome web. The Source is like a magic carpet ride through time and space that you don't want to end. It's not just a book, it's a fantastic adventure waiting for you to dive in. Here are 7 galvanizing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Welcome transformation. This book serves as a time-traveling guide illustrating the dynamic nature of individuals and societies across diverse eras. Through the characters' journeys, we witness the constant flow of change, emphasizing that change is not only inevitable but a vital force in our lives. The narrative subtly nudges readers to recognize that just as characters adapt to different times, embracing change is a crucial aspect of personal growth. The book whispers the wisdom that resisting change can hinder progress, urging us to open our arms to the evolving landscapes of our personal experiences and the broader world. It's a reminder that, like the characters, we too can navigate the currents of change with resilience and embrace the transformative power it holds. This book is an insightful mirror reflecting the beauty of evolution, urging us to welcome the ever-shifting tides of life. Lesson number 2. Connection to nature. In this book, the characters go on cool adventures in different places and meet new friends from various backgrounds. What's super neat is that no matter where they are, there is always this awesome connection to nature. It's like nature is a big wise friend throughout the story. The book wants us to remember that nature is like a superhero in our lives, teaching us really cool stuff if you pay attention to its vibes. It's all about feeling the rhythm of the trees, the dance of the wind, and the secrets of the stars. This book is like a magical nature walk that shows us how being buddies with nature brings a lot of cool wisdom into our everyday adventures. Lesson number 3. Power of knowledge. In this book, knowledge is like a superpower that characters use to shape their stories across time. It's like having a treasure chest full of secrets that can change destinies. The book cheers for learning new things, showing us that the more we know, the more awesome things we can do. It's like a magical potion for personal and society growth, making everything better. So, it's all about grabbing books, asking questions, and being curious because in the world of the Source, knowledge is the key to unlocking incredible adventures and making the characters the heroes of their own stories. Lesson number 4. Interconnectedness of life. In the Source, it's all like the characters are part of the giant web connecting them through time like invisible threads. The book shows that even tiny actions of each character have a big impact like ripples in a pond. It's like saying, hey, everything we do matters. It's like a cool reminder that we all are connected like a big family and what we do today can echo through time, making a difference for others. So, it's like the book is telling us to be kind and do good stuff because our actions are like little superheroes making the world better, connecting us all in a fantastic way. Lesson number 5. Cultural diversity and tolerance. In this book, it's like going on a worldwide adventure, meeting friends from different places with unique traditions and cool stories. The book is about saying, hey, our differences make the world more awesome. It's like a big celebration of all the cool cultures, teaching us that being different is super cool. The source is like a high five to tolerance and understanding, saying, let's be buddies even if we are not exactly the same. So, it's like a friendly reminder to appreciate the spicy mix of cultures, making the world a big, colorful party where everyone invited to dance to their own beat. Lesson number 6, Legacy and Impact. In the source, it's like the characters leave behind a trail of footsteps that echo through time, making it a big mark on the world. The book whispers, hey, what we do today is like planting seeds for the future. It's all about thinking, how do we want people to remember us? Like a time-traveling diary, story shows that every little thing we do has a big impact on the future. So, it's like a gentle nudge to think about our actions, making sure they are like little gifts that keep on giving to the world. This book is like a friendly guide saying, you are writing your own story, so make it a really cool one. Lesson number 7, Spiritual Awakening. In this book, it's like the characters are on a quest to discover the magic within themselves, going on a journey to find deep meaning and connection. The book whispers, hey, there's something special inside you too. It's like a friendly invitation to explore our own spiritual adventures, whether it's through stories, nature, or just quiet moments of thinking. The source is like a guide saying, you are on your cool quest to find what makes your heart dance. So, it's all about tuning into the whispers of your spirit and discovering the awesome magic that makes you, well, you. It's like a warm hug from the story, encouraging us to dive into our own soulful journey of self-discovery. In conclusion, the source is not just a book. It's a profound exploration of the human experience across time and a source of valuable lessons that resonate with readers on a personal level. The narrative's depth, combined with its universal themes, make it a must-read for those seeking both entertainment and enlightenment. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.